Hi everybody, it's Rick again. Welcome to the second of our series of finish up videos here. We're looking at the slide gives that we added in the previous exercise, and now I'm going to switch to the cavity. I created the 3D cavity, and it's a combination of all the things we've done before, so I didn't bother showing it to you. But what we do need here is clearance in the cavity for the slides. So I'm just going to turn on the slide level, get a distance from the molding face to the back of that slide. There's our distance there. And I'm going to use XMD pockets. There's the height right there. I'll just enter the value. And I'm going to use two corners and plate inside. And with my snap-on, we're snapping a nominal dimension, so I can just run out to the edge of the slide here. And we'll pick the end point there. And it's asking me where to place it. I want to place it in the cavity, but we're looking from the back of the cavity out, so we're going to be placing it on the far side of the block. So we'll just take a look here. There's my pocket subtracted. You can see it's clearing for the slide, but we didn't add any clearance. So just a quick modify size. We'll go back to the width of the pocket, and I'll add +2, and you'll see that the pocket will update by 100 thou per side. There she goes. Okay, there's one pocket cleared, and I'll just mirror copy it to the other side. There it is, presto. Let's quick look at just the cavity block itself. You can see the holes and the subtractions are in there. Okay, moving on quickly, we're gonna add a horn pin here. We've added smart patterns in previous exercises, but this time I'm going to add a custom assembly. And a custom assembly is a combination of a smart pattern with holes that are required for manufacturing. If you had screws or any other plates or blocks, whatever you needed for this custom assembly, you can combine them together in XMD and add them as a single unit. So I've picked 2 points on the axis of the center of the slide, the horn pin hole, and there's the horn pin. You can see as I mirror it here, you can see the holes are showing up in the back of the slide there, or the back of the cavity, sorry. So custom assemblies can be a useful tool for you. Okay, switching back here to my core half buildup, I'm going to add the rest of the components that are required in the ejector box. So first thing I need to do is add some knockouts. XMD has a knockout command. Just double click on the 2D drawing and XMD will place them. And these are standard inch locations, 2.5, 3.5, and 2x8s. And you can see our knockouts in the 3D view here. So you just have to pick that circle, and XMD takes care of the rest. And here we'll make the tapped hole a little bit larger. I'll go from 3/8 up to 3/4, and picking all of type as my option. And the tapped holes are updated in all the knockouts. So now we have a pillar support tool. And again, you pick your vendor, your size. You can specify the clearance around the pillar support in the ejector plates, and just click a spot. I've got my snap on. I'm going to put them at a nice nominal position. I'm going to use my favorite mirror to quadrant command. Click the component, hit enter, and 4 pillar supports will show up. And we'll do the same with the one on the center of the mold. There you go. So again, all of these components are placed. The holes are automatically placed. The component is automatically placed. You don't have to worry about anything. Just all you have to do is pick a place to put it, You notice I hit a knockout here. We do have interference checking, but I want to show you how I can just move that knockout or the pillar support out away from the knockout. Both of the pillar supports are going to move. And you notice the holes are automatically updated. I was hitting the threaded hole there, and that geometry is automatically healed and recreated. Okay, so we're going to add some ejectors, guided ejectors here. XMD recognized that we do have a support plate and a bottom clamp plate, and it did prompt me for where I wanted to put these, where I wanted the pin to be, whether I wanted the pin in the bottom clamp plate or the support plate. I did pick the bottom clamp plate. So again, mirror to quadrant. One, two, three, four. There they are. So that's how easy it is. Any questions, please send me an email.